with another one.
All right, guys, so here in front of you is the front of a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. Today's video is to show you where the horns are located on this vehicle. You actually have to take the bumper off to get to them because they're like right here in front of the radiator. Let's get into how to take them loose. All right, guys, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to remove the horns and put new ones on. Basically, I'm just showing you how to remove and install them. All right, so to get this horn loose, there's a 10mm nut here, and to get this one loose, there's a 10mm up here. But before you do that, what you want to do is right here, you want to disconnect the harness from the horn. Just push down on it, pull off, and do the same thing over here. I'm gonna push down, push down, and pull it off, just like that. All right, so we're gonna take this one off first. You can technically remove the horn from here, or the bracket, which is another 10mm up here. That's a nut, so it's a 10mm, 10, and a 10. But I would just disconnect it from here. So you just get your 10mm, put it on top. Just like that. Pull it off. And that's all. So that's one. Let's see if we can look at the part number. That's the part number if you need it. And then now we're going to do this one. Same way. 10mm at the top. Break it loose. Just like that. And here is the, let's see, part number for that one if you need it. And basically that's it, guys. I mean, like, once you take these off, you put your new ones on. You know, the new ones that you bought or whatever, and that's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them back on. All right, so we're going to put this one on first, and you can see it's turned towards the radiator like this. Just go ahead and screw the nut on. Make a connection, just like that, and run it down. And that's one. And you have this one, same way. The horn is pointing towards the radiator. Put it in like this. Put the screw on. Just like that. Make your connection. Run it down. And that's it. That's how you remove the horn and install the horn for a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. It was pretty easy. It wasn't that hard. All right, guys. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.